All right, did anyone know this? This is just my hair. This isn't chocolate. It's not a stain. It's just my hair. Oh gosh. Let's talk about horizontal and vertical lines, okay? So how can we graph lines that look a little weirder? Y equals 3 and x equals 2. So you may have heard this before, but I haven't commented on it recently. But remember that the graph of a line is just all the points, input, comma, output, that make that equation true. So to graph y equals 3, we just need all the x's and y's that make this equation true. And so that's kind of weird because x doesn't appear anywhere here. It doesn't matter what x is. All that matters is y equals 3. So I'm going to give you a bunch of points, and you tell me which one of these satisfy this requirement. Okay, I'm going to give you points. You tell me which ones satisfy the requirement. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 17, 3. They all satisfy the requirement. All of these are points with y equals 3. So if we want to graph this line, let's just graph all these points. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 17, 3. It's a horizontal line. Okay? We just connect the dots. That's what we get. The other one is a little weird, but it's the same idea. Right? If we want to graph x equals 2, well, a graph is just all the points that make this equation true. Well, y doesn't matter. Y can be anything. So the point 2, 5, that satisfies it. This is a point that satisfies this requirement. Let's see, 0, whoa, that doesn't satisfy it. 2, 3, that satisfies it. 2, -2, that satisfies it. All these points satisfy the requirement x equals 2. So let's graph them. That's what the graph's going to look like. 2, 5 will look like this. 2, 3 will look like this. 2, -2 will look like this. What shape do all these points form? A vertical line. All right, and that's what horizontal and vertical lines mean, and that's why they work like this. So if you ever forget, you see x equals 2 and you say, is that a horizontal line or a vertical line? Just give yourself some examples and you'll see the shape appear before your eyes. So if you want more formal definitions, here they are. Horizontal lines will look like y equals b or f of x equals b. And vertical lines will look like x equals some number. So again, b is just some number. And a is again just some number. So let's practice. Let's look at these red and blue lines. So look at all these red lines. Well, these are just all the points. What do they have in common? These are just a bunch of points where x is equal to 1. So this must be the equation x equals 1. And it's a vertical line. Does it have the right form? Yep, x equals some number. And the number is 1. Because every point on this line has an x coordinate of 1. And likewise, what do all these numbers have in common down here? They all have a y value of -3. So this will be the line y equals -3. That's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions or if things are getting mixed up, or maybe I made a typo somewhere. Or maybe you want to tell me how good a drawing of a snake I can make. You can send that to me and let me know. That's its tongue, snake tongue. It's forked. It looks like it's breathing fire. Bye-bye.